It's been 3 years since I last uploaded to this channel. If you look at my dashboard, you will see why I went silent. My videos on WPA cracking and evil twin attacks, content I built to tech security, were taken down by YouTube automated system. So, I decided to stop breaking things and start building them. To understand how this world works, we have to look at the entry point. In my main class, I am not just running a game loop, I am initializing a engine class and a scene manager. This allows me to keep the main menu and the actual game scene completely separated. I don't want a massive if else chain in my main loop checking if I am in the menu or game state. So I wrote this scene manager. It basically acts as a container for every scene in the game. I store everything in a map using smart pointers, so memory is managed automatically. Right now my engine runs on a component system. And this is how it looks like in practice. This car, game object, doesn't do everything itself. It just sets up data and plug in components for physics and rendering. Once they are added, the engine updates and handle them automatically. Handling game object can be messy, so I wrote this game object manager. It takes ownership of object as soon as they spawn. Plus I also added a helper function called find object of type, so I can edit game objects property in the editor menu. By the way, I am making this game using Raylib. For the save game system, first I map all the variables like currency, level stat into a JSON object. Then I convert that JSON into a binary JSON. This turns the text into raw bytes. Before writing it to the disk, I pass those bytes to this scramble data function. It runs a simple XOR operation on every byte, effectively locking the file so it cannot be easily edited outside the game. And this is how I calculate the player's XP. And now all I have to do is check if the save system is working or not. I am pretty sure this won't take me too long. I am too dumb to realize that I am adding uninitialized value over and over. I tested the XP and the value was totally broken. That's simply because I forgot to initialize the variable, so it was reading garbage memory. But after that quick fix, the system works perfectly. It's simple, secure and ready for gameplay. If you want to see more devlogs, hit that subscribe button or I will personally come to your house and corrupt your save files.